Welcome to Colombia, a journey through its geography, economy, culture, and lifestyle. A country of breathtaking beauty, pulsating rhythms, and an unbreakable spirit. From the bustling streets of Bogotá to the sun-kissed beaches of Cartagena, Colombia captivates the soul. Its rich history, dynamic culture, and evolving economy make it one of the most fascinating places on Earth. But beyond the headlines lies a country waiting to be discovered. This is not just another travel documentary. It's an odyssey through Colombia's heart and soul. Experience the rhythm of salsa in Cali, the flower-filled streets of Medellin, and the echoes of ancient civilizations. Colombia is more than a place. It's a story of resilience and transformation. A nation that has overcome adversity to emerge stronger and prouder. Stay with us to uncover the true essence of Colombia, a land of magic, adventure, and boundless passion. So, before we begin this video, I kindly request all my friends, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. Don't miss out on all the exciting videos coming your way soon. Thank you so much. Welcome to Colombia, a vibrant and diverse country in northwestern South America, bordered by Panama to the northwest, Venezuela to the east, Brazil to the southeast, and Peru and Ecuador to the south. Flanked by the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean, Colombia is a land of rich culture, breathtaking landscapes, and warm hospitality. Spanning 1,141,648 square kilometers, Colombia is the fourth largest country in South America. It is home to over 50 million people, making it the third most populous country in Latin America. Let's explore some of Colombia's major cities and their must-visit attractions. Bogotá, the capital and largest city. Nestled on a high plateau in the Andes Mountains, Bogotá, with a population exceeding 7.9 million, is the political, economic, and cultural heart of the nation. Tourists are drawn to its historic La Candelaria district, the mesmerizing Gold Museum, Museo del Oro, and the stunning Monserrate Hill, which offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Medellin, known as the City of Eternal Spring due to its pleasant climate, Medellin is Colombia's second largest city, home to approximately 2.6 million residents. It's renowned for its innovation, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cultural scene. The annual Festival of the Flowers, Feria de las Flores, is a spectacular event, drawing over 2 million visitors each year. Cali, the heart of salsa music and dance. Located in the Valle del Cauca department, Cali is the third largest city, with a population of around 2.2 million. The city's electrifying energy comes alive during the Cali Fair, Feria de Cali, a dazzling festival filled with salsa concerts, colorful parades, and thrilling cultural events. Barranquilla, a major port city on the Caribbean coast, Barranquilla is home to about 1.3 million people. But what truly sets it apart? The legendary Barranquilla Carnival. One of the most spectacular folkloric celebrations in Colombia, it draws hundreds of thousands of participants and spectators every year in a burst of color, music, and joy. Cartagena, a city steeped in history and romance. With nearly 941,000 inhabitants, Cartagena is famous for its well-preserved colonial architecture and its past as a major port on the northern coast. The city's charming historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, welcomes countless visitors each year who come to wander its enchanting streets and soak in its unparalleled beauty. Tourism growth. In 2004, Colombia welcomed a record-breaking 6.7 million international tourists, an 8.5% increase from the previous year. Colombian economy and education. Colombian GDP, education and economic growth. Colombia's economy has seen steady growth over the years. The country's gross domestic product, GDP, reached approximately $364 billion in 2003, with a GDP per capita of around $6,171. Major industries include oil, coffee, flowers, emerald mining, textiles, and tourism, each playing a vital role in the nation's economic landscape. Education and literacy. Colombia has made significant strides in education. As of 2022, the literacy rate stands at an impressive 98.9%, with nearly equal literacy levels for both men and women. Higher education institutions in Bogotá, Medellín, and Cali continue to gain global recognition, attracting students from around the world. Income and standard of living. The average income in Colombia varies greatly by region. While urban areas, such as Bogotá and Medellín, boast higher wages, many rural areas still face economic challenges. On average, Colombians earn around $7,500 per year, lower than the OECD average, but improving due to a growing middle class. Colombian culture, a blend of tradition and modernity. Colombia's culture is a vibrant mix of indigenous, African, and Spanish influences, reflected in its music, dance, festivals, and everyday life. Festivals and celebrations. Colombians love to celebrate, and the country hosts some of the most vibrant festivals in the world, including Barranquilla Carnival, the second largest carnival in the world, bursting with colorful parades, lively music, and infectious energy. Medellín Flower Festival, a breathtaking display of flowers, music, and dance, transforming the city into a floral paradise. Cali Fair, a world-famous salsa festival where dancers from across the globe compete in electrifying performances. Music and dance. Music is at the heart and soul of Colombian culture. Some of the most popular styles include cumbia, a traditional dance influenced by African and indigenous rhythms, filled with passion and history. Vallenato, a soulful folk music style from the Caribbean coast, telling stories of love and life. Salsa, particularly in Cali, known as the salsa capital of the world, the energy here is simply unmatched. Reggaeton and Latin pop, modern sounds that have propelled Colombian artists like Shakira, Maluma, and J Balvin to global superstardom. Colombian culture, a blend of tradition and modernity. Colombia's culture is a vibrant mix of indigenous, African, and Spanish influences, reflected in its music, dance, festivals, and everyday life. Festivals and celebrations. Colombians love to celebrate, and the country hosts some of the most spectacular festivals in the world, including Barranquilla Carnival, the second largest carnival in the world, filled with explosive colors, electrifying parades, and infectious music. Medellín Flower Festival, a breathtaking display of flowers, music, and dance. A true feast for the senses. Cali Fair, a world-famous salsa festival where dancers from across the globe battle it out on the dance floor. Who will reign supreme? Colombian cuisine, a delicious journey. Colombian food is as rich and diverse as its culture, a fusion of indigenous, African, and Spanish flavors. Some must-try dishes include bandeja paisa, a hearty dish from Medellín, packed with grilled meat, beans, rice, plantains, avocado, and a perfectly fried egg. Pure indulgence. Ajiaco, Bogotá's beloved soup, made with tender chicken, creamy potatoes, and sweet corn, served with capers and cream for that extra zing. Arepas, corn-based flatbreads that are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and simply irresistible, especially with cheese, meat, or eggs. Lechona, a mouth-watering, slow-roasted stuffed pork dish, perfect for celebrations. Sancocho, a deeply comforting meat and vegetable stew loved across Colombia. One spoonful and you'll feel at home. Oblets, a heavenly Colombian dessert made with crispy thin wafers, gooey arequipe, caramel, and cheese. Yes, cheese. Trust us, it's delicious. Colombian Wars for Independence, 1810, 1819, 1810. The cry for independence. Inspired by the revolutions in the United States and France, the people of Colombia finally took a stand. On July 20th, 1810, they boldly declared independence from Spain, but the struggle was far from over. 1819, the Battle of Boyacá, a turning point. This was it, the decisive moment in Colombia's fight for freedom. On August 7th, 1819, Simón Bolívar led his forces into battle against the Spanish. Victory was theirs. Colombia had finally broken free from Spanish rule and became part of Gran Colombia, uniting with Venezuela, Ecuador, and Panama. 1830, the birth of modern Colombia. Gran Colombia was short-lived, dissolving in 1830. But out of its collapse, the Republic of Colombia was born, setting the stage for the nation's future. Colombian civil wars and conflicts, 19th to 20th century. The Thousand Days War, 1899, 1902. A nation in chaos. Colombia was ravaged by endless battles between conservatives and liberals. The worst of them? The Thousand Days War, a horrific conflict that claimed more than 100,000 lives. Cities burned, families were torn apart, and the country was left in political turmoil. A wound that would take decades to heal. Panama's separation, 1903. Due to political instability, Panama declared independence from Colombia in 1903 with U.S. support. This bold move led to the creation of the Panama Canal, a project that would forever change global trade. La Violencia, 1948-1958. A period of brutal, unrelenting violence, known as La Violencia, erupted between conservatives and liberals, resulting in over 200,000 deaths. Entire communities were devastated, families torn apart, and bloodshed became a horrifying daily reality. This chaos gave birth to new guerrilla movements, setting the stage for decades of conflict. Colombian armed conflict, 1960s, 2016. From the 1960s to 2016, Colombia endured a long and bloody war, filled with terror and destruction. Rebel groups like FARC and ELN waged war against the government. Notorious drug cartels, including Pablo Escobar's Medellin cartel, fueled the violence, flooding the streets with blood and narcotics. Government forces and paramilitary groups battled for control, leaving civilians caught in the crossfire. For decades, fear ruled the nation. Would the violence ever end? 2016, peace agreement with FARC. In 2016, against all odds, a historic peace deal was signed between the Colombian government and FARC rebels. After more than 50 years of war, Colombia finally saw hope, a chance for peace, a chance for a new beginning. The nation stood on the edge of a new era. But could the wounds of the past truly heal? Colombian culture, a blend of tradition and modernity. Colombia's culture is a vibrant mix of indigenous, African, and Spanish influences, reflected in its music, dance, festivals, and everyday life. Festivals and celebrations. Colombians love to celebrate, and the country hosts some of the most spectacular festivals in the world, including Barranquilla Carnival, the second largest carnival in the world, filled with explosive colors, electrifying parades, and infectious music. Medellin Flower Festival, a breathtaking display of flowers, music, and dance. a true feast for the senses. Colombians are known for their warm, friendly, and hospitable nature. Their kindness is truly unforgettable. Tourists often describe Colombians as welcoming and helpful, always willing to share their vibrant culture and traditions. Tourist experience. What to expect in Colombia? Safety and security. Colombia has greatly improved safety for tourists, especially in major cities and tourist areas. Visitors are advised to stay in well-known areas and follow local travel tips. Public transport. Cities like Bogotá and Medellín have efficient public transport, including buses, metros, and even cable cars. Tourist assistance. Many hotels, tour operators, and airports have English-speaking staff to assist visitors, so don't worry if you don't speak Spanish. Affordable travel. Colombia is one of the most budget-friendly destinations in South America. Whether you're looking for luxury or budget accommodations, there's something for everyone. International airports. Major cities like Bogotá, Medellín, and Cartagena have modern airports with connections to major global destinations. Public transport. Bogotá's Transmilenio bus system and Medellín's metro provide fast and efficient public transportation. Hotels and resorts. From luxury beach resorts in Cartagena to eco-lodges in the Amazon, you'll find incredible places to stay. Tourist information centers, available in major cities and airports to assist travelers, so you're never alone. Guided tours and security. Many tourist areas have English-speaking guides and enhanced security for a safe and enjoyable experience. Medical and emergency services, high-quality hospitals, and emergency services are accessible in major cities, ensuring peace of mind during your travels. Closing scene. Why you should visit Colombia. Colombia is a land of magic, adventure, and history. Whether you seek pristine beaches, towering mountains, ancient ruins, or vibrant cities, Colombia has it all. So pack your bags and come explore the wonders of Colombia. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime?